Hello all the warriors, this is Roy, welcome to Reba. Today we're gonna unboxing this Kuroshiba specials and the item number 95588. Are you ready? Let's go! Before we start the video, if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, you can press here for subscribe the channel, and also don't forget to press the bell so every time when we have a new video you will know it right away. Thank you. Okay, so let's start from the body. So the body is plastic heart and it's yellow, and here is the stickers. So there's a bunch of numbers, so it depends on what numbers that you like, you can put it on your body. Okay, and this is our Kuroshiba. Okay. And then the chassis is the VS chassis, and it's ABS, and it's light blue, and this is the rear bumpers. Okay, and the parts is black. Okay, and the wheel is the orange extra large 6-spoke extra large wheels, and the material is PP. Okay, and the tire is extra large super hard. Okay, and the gear ratio come with this unit is 5.1, and also come with the low friction plastic rollers. Okay, so now let's take a look at how it looks like after we build it. Okay, so now we know how it looks like after we build it. So if you are the collector, you like the Animal Series units, and this might be another one for you to collect. Alright, so this is today's video. I will see you next time.